Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base Faucet website. That was Faucet website is Dogecoin. You can earn free Dogecoin from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, this is the Dogecoin Faucet website. You can earn this much Dogecoin every 0 second, and this is one of the highest payment Dogecoin Faucet in the world I know. Okay, and it's very easy to claim. Go to your deposit, your Faucetpay account, go to your deposit, copy your Dogecoin wallet address link and come here and paste it. Okay, and you can solve this letter capture. Okay, add box, and you can just click get reward. Okay, and this website pay you instantly your Faucetpay. And I go to my Faucetpay again, overview, and you can see this website pay me instantly this much Dogecoin to my Faucetpay. Okay. Okay guys, you can reload the page again, and after reloading you can solve the capture again. Okay, and you can solve again, and you can just click again. Okay, and you can see this website pay me instantly again to my Faucetpay. And you can earn much more Dogecoin from this website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.